Hello YouTube and welcome back. Today we have this 2018 F87 M2, the OG M2 with the N55, and for a little bit of restoration detail, we're going to be doing a full vehicle paint correction and ceramic coating with GYEON Infinite. It's a 5-year ceramic coating, so we're going to be removing all of these swirl marks and imperfections out of the clear coat, making it look brand new again. The other thing it's here for is some front bumper damage, some very minor front bumper damage down here on the bottom. And we're also going to be fixing all of the little rock chips and things and the rest of it, again, to make it look like a brand new car. It'll be a perfect color match, perfect orange peel match, look like nothing ever happened. Obviously cleaning up the wheels and yeah, just making this thing shine again. It's not so bad. It's 35,000 miles. It's in good shape overall. We've got some minor dings that we're going to be fixing via PDR, and yeah, let's get started. So here we are in the wash bay. Clean up the wheels, got it covered in foam. Gonna wash it, decontaminate it, clay bar it, get the paint nice and smooth, and then we'll move on to polishing. All right, it's all cleaned up, ready for polishing. I kind of ignored the fact that the front bumper is missing, as I explained before. We are doing the body work on that right now, getting it ready to be painted, and making this thing look brand new again. Okay, she's all done, perfectly polished, ceramic coated, 5 years of protection on it. Look at the way this thing shines in the sun. Not a mark on it. Super glossy. It's got a really nice glow to it. Let's check out the bumper. No more damage on it, no more rock chips on it. Perfect color match, really nice finish on it. Orange peel matches really well, matches really good with the hood, super important. Super, super glossy. Really happy with how it came out. Got all the dents taken care of. Tips are polished. He's ready to roll. If you're interested in this service, give us a call. We'd love to get you taken care of. There's the number. Give us a shout. Your car can look like this too.